God, please grant me the serenity that you promised my heart, because there's none like you. Nobody like you. No one at all like you. No one at all like you, who can love me like you do. None else can love me like you do. No one at all, Jesus, can love me, can take me for all I've done. Lord, I love you. Lord, I need you. Yeah. Just a little something I was just telling y'all.